The vegan diet is a plant-based eating pattern that excludes all animal products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and other animal-derived ingredients. Despite the absence of animal products, a well-planned vegan diet can meet nutritional needs and provide a range of health benefits. Here's how you can ensure you meet your nutritional needs on a vegan diet. Protein. Plant-based sources of protein include beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, seitan, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Combining different protein sources can help ensure you get a complete set of essential amino acids. Adequate protein intake is important for muscle maintenance, immune function, and overall health. Calcium. Calcium is vital for bone health. While dairy products are the primary source of calcium in many diets, vegans can obtain calcium from fortified plant-based milk, such as almond, soy, or oat milk, tofu, fortified orange juice, leafy greens like kale and collard greens, and almonds. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a role in bone health and immune function. While sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, fortified plant-based milk and supplements can help vegans meet their needs. Iron. Plant-based sources of iron include lentils, beans, tofu, quinoa, fortified cereals, spinach, and pumpkin seeds. To enhance iron absorption, pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C-rich foods, like citrus fruits, bell peppers, and broccoli. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, so vegans should consider taking a B12 supplement or consuming fortified foods like plant-based milk, breakfast cereals, or nutritional yeast. Omega-3 fatty acids. While fish is a common source of omega-3 fatty acids, vegans can obtain these essential fats from flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, hemp seeds, and algae-based supplements. Zinc. Plant-based sources of zinc include legumes, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and fortified foods. Zinc is important for immune function and overall growth. Iodine. Iodine is necessary for thyroid function and can be obtained from iodized salt or sea vegetables like nori and dulse. However, it's important not to rely solely on sea vegetables for iodine, as their iodine content can vary. Fiber. A vegan diet is naturally high in dietary fiber from fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. Fiber supports digestive health and can help manage cholesterol levels and blood sugar. Variety. Consuming a variety of foods is crucial to ensuring you get a wide range of nutrients. Including different types of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes in your diet enhances nutrient intake. Supplements. Depending on individual needs and dietary choices, some vegans might require supplements for specific nutrients like B12, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acid. Until next time, stay well.